Today, we are going to tour this mid-modern home located in the Salt Lake Valley in the suburbs of Murray, Utah. This is the Google image I was able to find of the home before they flipped it, so it was already in great shape, but they made it stunning. It has 6 beds, 5 baths, and 4,470 square feet. It was a snowy day in Utah, but the vibes walking into this home were warm and cozy. I love the open floor plan, and I also love that we are moving away from the white, bland, sterile design trends, and we are moving to a more warm and textured design. The kitchen is also stunning with the cream cabinets and the gold hardware. Moving into the sunroom, I'm not sure if they added this on or if it was previously existing. Either way, I love it. It is a great space to entertain. The warm wood beams, I think this space adds so much value to the home with an additional fireplace there. If we look outside, there is a massive pergola out there. It would be great for entertaining in the summer. And the backyard's big enough you could put a pool in if you wanted, or you just have plenty of yard space as well. And this is a picture of what that would look like in the summer. Moving on to the downstairs from the sunroom, this is an additional space that would be great to host. I think this house would be wonderful if you had a big family, which that is very fitting for Utah. And I love how down here, the bricks that are black on that fireplace, as well as the wood slat wall in the theater room, and this wet bar is to die for. I love the black tile. Now I want to be able to do this in a space in my home with the lighting under those shelves, and you have the drink fridge here, along with just a beautiful kitchen that is completely full as well down here. This is just a great use of this space. And they did a really good job to make it not feel like you are trapped down in a basement. Another design trend that I'm loving is the tile that looks like bamboo or wood. As you can see here, it even goes up on the ceiling. Love the look on that, as well as the black window pane looking separation for this shower. I thought they did a great job with it. And then we move into a little exercise room there with rounded gold mirrors, and there's also a bookshelf that opens up into the door that takes you down into this kind of creepy looking pantry. This seems to be the only area of the home that they didn't touch that's original, and I guess you wouldn't need to if it is just going to be your pantry area. My boyfriend was trying to figure out if this went to an old wood stove or if it was just kind of an area where they were saving wood. We weren't sure about what was going on with this specific area. So if you know what this is, leave a comment on this video and let us know. Okay, so we are going to skip ahead to the bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs. This is a full bath that has a bathtub in the basement. I love that they did the black tile, and we still have the cream doors with the gold furnishings. The bedrooms are a decent size, and I do appreciate that they switched out all of the lights because there's nothing worse than a boob light in a home. You know what I mean? This is the second bedroom down there, but this one actually has a really large walk-in closet, and it has the additional water heater for the basement, which is nice because then you don't have to worry about running out of hot water if you have a large family. There was a third bedroom down there as well, but I missed getting a video of that. It was a little bit smaller than these two. Okay, and now for the upstairs bedrooms. I thought this bedroom was really cute. It would be great for a baby nursery because it is right across the hall from the master bedroom. At the end of the hallway, there is another full-size bathroom that we will look at in more detail. Off to the side of that is an office. It could be a bedroom as well, but I love the rounded arch detail there. I'm still trying to decide if I like the tile in the shower. I think it would have been fun had they gone with a color, but something I did love was this sink as well as the hanging light fixture. I thought that was a great idea. At least there is a tub in this bathroom because there isn't in the master, which we will get to that, but they did a beautiful job with this master bedroom. I love the stone accent wall, and I love that these are coming in. I worry about how long they'll stay in for, but for now, love them. I think they did a great job capitalizing on the space of this master bathroom, and I love the gold wall furnishings with the lights there, but I just would need a tub in my master bath if I'm going to pay what price tag there is on this house. And this is the master closet as well. It could work, but it once again is a little bit small for the price range, which we will get to at the end of this video. A couple other areas from the home that I haven't shown. This is the mud room that goes off of the kitchen. It also has a half bath in here so that your guests would be able to use that, or the one at the end of the hallway by the upstairs bedrooms. And for my boyfriend's favorite part of this home, it was this three-car garage that is actually deep enough for you to park six. And we loved the lights that were on the ceiling. This garage has tons of room to put storage, shelves, projects, anything that you would need. And that is a big bonus in the Salt Lake Valley because they are not great for big garages. This is one final look of the front porch. I loved that rug. And the door is beautiful. I think it'd be fun to have some chairs there and you could look out. I bet most of the time you can see the mountains. It was just snowy this day. So the moment you've been waiting for, the price of this home is $1,599,000. I think they did a phenomenal job with this renovation. I wish that we could see what it looked like before. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on the design choices, and I would love to know if you feel like this home is worth this price.